Yeah, the ability to get an explanation of any number in a report is an extraordinarily powerful and calming thing. We have stories of customers who were talking to the boss, and the boss goes, "Well, that number's wrong." Well, how do you know that? Well, it just doesn't look right to me. How can that possibly be right? Well, let's pull up the explanation and see exactly how it was built. And you go down through it and you go, oh, it's not the model that was wrong. It was the assumption that was wrong. You change the assumption and you get an answer that you like better, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're learning more about the model by being able to actually see the result. When you click on a number of any kind, you get a series of drop-down, little plus signs. So all of a sudden you can say, okay, well, that was driven by these things, and then that one I can drill down further into multiple levels, as deep and as far as it goes, to see exactly where that number came from. You're not flipping to another sheet somewhere or tracing arrows. You can literally see the entire stack of where that number came from, which is, for our customers, it's like, wow, all of a sudden I have visibility I never had before. So yeah, if I had to pick a single feature that is universally beloved, it's that one.